Just started the stove about 1 minute ago, and now it's operating. And while in this film you cannot see the flame, actually the flame is very intense. It's very violet or bluish but violet. And now it is maintained by this very small blower which uses only about 20 watts. And very soon this heat will be evidenced by the boiling of this pot. We are cooking potatoes. While potato is still available and affordable, the LPG is no longer very affordable. So we now have an option to cook these potatoes with rice hull. And this is now seems to be the end of the LPG oppression of 1,000 pesos per month to only about 50 pesos per month. Suko yung LPG natin ini. Sasampat yun.